always been saying it. I say I don't hate genocide. But one thing about genocide, I dey tell you, stop deceiving. You have been deceiving yourself, but stop deceiving other people as well. Genocide, can't you just keep your mouth to yourself sometimes? Genocide, can't you keep your mouth to yourself sometimes? Must you talk? Must you interfere in every matter? Must you say anything? Must you talk? Just because you want to be heard about? Because you want people to know you. Hey, if you as a Nigerian citizen, you does not know genocide, Ambassador genocide, a God sent enemy, then you are not a Nigerian, then you are a rubbish. Are you kidding me? Most people know you. Anything you are doing, you said you are a God sent. God sent you to come and be doing it. So don't be an hypocrite. Don't be a Pharisee. It is only Pharisee. Now they come out, they proud. Every time you keep on bragging here and there. I'm genocide. If you don't know me, it means you are a rubbish person. It means you are not a Nigerian. If you don't know me, it means you don't know what you are doing. You are a fool. Why must you say that? Why must you continue to say that kind of thing every day? You are doing anything for anybody to help the sick people out there, to help hungry people, the homeless and all that. My dear, don't be a Pharisee. Stop being a Pharisee about it. Your wife is a very good Christian. And I believe she might have preached this to you. And I really need your wife, Winnie, to educate you on this very Pharisee part or verse on the Bible. Winnie, you really have to educate your lovely husband, your dearest husband, on that verse in the Bible called, as in the Pharisee verses. Pharisee. You need to tell him. I know I'm irritated because I'm talking to Denusagi. I'm irritating. Your daughter is a motherfucker. Okay. Your children are motherfuckers. I'm irritating Becky Iyabo. Becky Iyabo. Your children, they are motherfuckers. Your children are dead and not living. I will not insult you, but I will insult your children. You are a motherfucker. Come on, get the fuck out of here. Useless idiot. Keep on prostituting. 40-something years, keep on prostituting to donate for one idiot. Then you guys are not making sense. Idiots. If now no one may I change and you shut up and listen to me very carefully. Verbally now they talk to us. So verbally now me via the talk now. Someone and listen. No. I'm called you on side. Don't say you don't do yes. He's a very loyal boy. The lawyer well. Oh yeah, sit down there, my boy, and listen to me. You know what I'm saying? So Winnie, I would like you to educate your lovely husband all about, about that story, that part of a story in the Bible about the Pharisee. Educate your husband on that part, because your husband is a #1 Pharisee. Your husband is doing whatever he's doing just for people to recognize him. Just for people to know him and say, hey, he's really doing great. If you say you are a God sent, anything you are doing, you do it for the people. You do it because you want to do it. You do it from your heart. My cough never see come out. You do it from your heart. You do it because you are a God sent, not doing it for people to recognize you, or for people to notice you, notice me. So that one and for that one, John Osaige. Me, I first talk to the followers first. Followers of John Osaige. All the, I don't know what I want to call you now. I cannot call you guys God sent because you guys are not God sent. Some of you, the way you do things, you are the devil. You guys, some of you are the devil himself. But you will not know. You will not know. I cite you, gone, yo. I cite you, Jackie. SC. You too much like that. You understand? So many of you now, wait, hey, God center. I never fight the half of the fight where I fight for Dion. I fought for Dion, but Dion is an ingrate. Dion is a motherfucker. From my mouth. I not close my mouth. Motherfucker. Dion is a bastard. He's a motherfucker and I'm a talker. Nothing they saw. Listen, let me tell you guys something. I don't even know. Some of you guys, you are so educated. Some of you that are following him. Some of you guys, una still know books more. Some of una still get sense after the shower don't still close some of una parts. But now they advise them well, una they advise them wrongly. When the matter of $1 million to buy another person toto, even though I not be person wife now, never marry, but I be person property, I be person girlfriend, I be person fiancé. You dey feel me? Even though I not be person fiancé, I not be person girlfriend, I be person fucker. Or person and my fucker. You dey feel me? I don't know whether you dey understand what I try to talk about. And at the same time, I be woman. Every woman deserves respect. Even if that woman a prostitute, a roadside prostitute, every woman deserves respect. A man that cannot respect any other woman out there, talking about another woman's private part, that man does not have any respect for his fucking wife, even for his mother. Fuck. Or for his sisters out there. Or for his female follower. When he come out, when the whole thing of 1 million naira come out, when I say I was just lying. Thank God. I watched a video about 3 days ago where somebody was doing it. Like, yes, it was true. And everybody confirmed it. The condemnation was there. Even the person in question told the truth about it. When I said it out, for Dion Osage to keep the fuck up, to show his trap up. Dion, I'm going to sue you, eh? I tell you, I'm going to sue you for that thing because it's very obvious and the audio is with me. I don't want to bring it out on Facebook, but I'm going to sue you on that shit. You are a blackmailer yourself. You are not on an organization. You are not helping anybody. You are a blackmailer of the highest level. Wait, I dey explain they come. Why they talk say the people where they follow and not they advise them because they be idiots. When anybody come and talk to Dion, they will come. Who fair do that one pass me before? Now me they fair for Dion. Anybody? Hey. Huh? What I get for it when I later see or find out that Dion Osage is just. Then I just like what the fuck? I use my time for something good. I use my time for my job that pays me and feed me and pay my rent and pay my child fucking support. Rubbish. So what happened? When that thing come out, instead of Dion Osage to just keep his mouth shut. In fact, he does not even have to reply because he knows he was the truth. He knows it was the truth. What did he write out? He said, Toto where dog and rat don't spit put. Now I want to go use $1 million. I tell look. I was like, oh my God, when I saw that. People here, if you see comment, the stupid followers, the stupid women that are following him, the stupid women without class, the idiot, uneducated fools, men and women, they will all comment like, hey, you just break table leg, oh. Boss, you break table leg. Useless people. First and foremost, which person you see say, anybody, I beg, I dey talk about live video every time. I beg the word front. If you don't see Ivie for eye for ground, say you don't sleep with Ivie, come out and say it. Are you mad? Are you a learner? I dated somebody, which all of you now will not say call those names. So do I give a fuck? But for a man that says he respects his fucking idiot prostitute wife Winnie, can never come out and tell that to another woman. You see, Dion Osage is a son of a bitch. I beg. Now if you dey talk, I beg. You dey craze. You feel crazy. You feel die. his mother or sisters or for his female followers for you to keep your mouth shut because you know that was the truth. That thing was true. You said it, and there's a video, there's an audio for it. I have it. And that is what I'm going to use against you. Idiot. Thinking about to make blah 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 blah. Don Osage went on his platform and go right and say, pussy where everybody they speak put dog and rat. Now your wife Toto, now dog and rat they peace put. Because if you call another woman a useless woman, your wife is likewise useless and she stinks. Your wife is a motherfucking harlot. Your wife is a bitch. Winnie is a bitch. If you can call another woman a bitch, say rat and dog, they spit for her Toto. Now the same Toto way she get, now your woman gets, and you never see any rat and dog way they spit for that Toto. Then your wife is likewise a bitch and a motherfucking bitch. Fuck her. I go cheat put for that Toto, for that motherfucking Toto of Winnie. I go peace put, I go spit put for inside. Your wife is a bitch, do you understand? If you can call another woman a bitch, a mother of children, your wife is not a mother yet. I'm a mother of 3 boys. You dare call me a bitch? On video, on your post, you insulted me and you call yourself a charity organization. You call yourself Akugbe. You dare call me a bitch on your post. A mother of 3 children, 3 boys. But your wife is not even yet. Your wife is still unable to give birth to even a rat. Then your wife is a motherfucking bitch. I told you. I'm going to reply you on a very good day. Another day we shit for church. Not be the day we picking. Throw away pot of soup that they beat time. Now another small thing I go do. Now you go beat time. You go they ask himself, mommy, what did I do? Now just this, but now small thing, and you go say, no, that day we if I do this thing. That day we throw away that pot of soup, all of us sleep. We not eat sleep. Now I beat put so. Or Tion of your sage. One more, I'm bio, this is bio. Okay, about that, negi genio bio. Each when you're saying, Nick baby. So my way. I know I'm a bio. You are such a mannerless idiot. You are so arrogant. You are the most arrogant fool I've ever seen in my life. I've traveled to this. I've traveled to 100 countries all over the world. What did you have to show for it? Nothing. Arrogancy. What did you have to show for it? Do you respect women? No. Did you respect women because you have women as followers? Never. You see yourself? You're an arrogant fool. Not because they travel around the world. They say traveling as a part of education. What education have you derived in all your traveling? Even the way you talk. Very irresponsible. Kind of a man. Kind of Dutch people say na ashlock. Ashleka. Take part of that. Atekiste. Sapalot. You have nothing upstairs. You are sapalot. That's what Dutch they call out. They say the person is sapalot. Fancy like that. What kind of man are you? Instead of you, their father. Okay, me I block this one. Why is it? And they block their asses for one belly and yak bell back more. They crazy. They don't reach. Instead, when the followers will tell us, say, John Osage, this thing you wrote is very bad. Don't forget, we are women that are following you. Don't forget you have a wife. Your wife is a woman. No. When he wrote out that post, even the stupid women that are following him, that they have, now they fuck all of them now. We know our story now. If you want me, I will bring her come and go. The only fool now. Only say some of my friends for inside. Because if not, I will fool many of you now. As when you not take let John Osage, take drive, as when you take lock John Osage outside for a birthday. Everything they my pan. Now inside and next thing they call me, they give me every download. Wow, big you more. If I want fuck on up, I go fuck on our big time. Instead of have to call the idiot boy. When the cop boss say, this is what you do is not good. He go tell him and say, okay, you not do one. Then you will tell him and say, since you not do one, but that post you for not post them. Must you talk? You must not talk. Don't even say anything about it. But you went ahead and post, say, they call another woman bitch. Woman will born you. That one, another one. That one can't go for there. An organization leader that wants to buy another woman's pussy, wants to see another woman. I don't know, Sagi. What you want afraid me? Because you know say I fine. Your wife na yellow papa, I fine person, you know. You go just tell me for phone if I like you what one friend you. Not be say you want go use 1 million naira to buy my toto. That 1 million naira you want to buy my toto. Why you not gonna give me for hand? Say, if you take this 1 million naira cash, I go take her, I go dash my younger brother. Say, take. Who am I? Or we go na me? 1 million naira what they want to send, my toto can't give you for WhatsApp, you go look at. Pata, because you and your wife not there for the same place. Your wife there on that place, you there on that place for Canada there. Pata, you lock door in the night. You they look my toto, you take her take you like this. Oh God. You know, if you get care when you net 20. Abio. But for you to go and go use 1 million naira to buy her, now then you for fuck up. Mama, I beg, you don't do. The truth has to be said. Now then you for fuck up. Why must you use 1 million naira? Offer 1 million naira for my goddamn pussy. You for your dash me the 1 million. Say, if I want to date you. You are an idiot. For doing that. Oh, yeah, block. I want to hear block. I want to hear block. No. I don't block the person I want to block. Abi? I'm blessed I block her. Okay, block her. That one are good at. Winnie, you they preach every day for live video. You they call they do notice me. You never talked about it. Oh, I tell you women out there, you can't use your own till they give another person. Yes, I know. That's a very good one, my dear sister. You they use your own experience, they give other women sense. Because you got married to an animal, to a lunatic. To person who never see money for his life, when he sees more money, the money they use. You got married to a madman. If your husband, your motherfucking husband, can write that out, and you call yourself a Christian as a woman, as in he wrote out that post as a to another woman, and you, your motherfucking idiot, you call yourself a woman and a Christian, you couldn't come out and iron that issue. I sorry for those that are listening to you. Go kill your papa, kill your mama, or go boy. If you know so you be doing, I get supporter, you call me your go back be you last check up. You know if you tell us say, my husband I kick against this, I'm a Christian. What kind of Christian are you? Come on for my face. Get out here! When I come on a fake life, come on for them, on audio Christianity for Facebook. It's less set of people. That's for that. Another one, the followers of John Osage. Mama, I beg. Nothing be like there. I be not see her. You never watch a fair video. Go watch her. Say the person where involve me and now tell her the truth. Go and be so let me talk on and say a lie. Go and confirm from other people if not be lie. About 3 of us then get the audio. When John Osage for the ask for my toto for 1 million naira. Una say na lie, but if una see am, nobody go talk am. Mama Lovely, you never talk about it. You never spoke about it. Say, this thing, even though I know something you can't talk, say, don't say you do bad. This thing is wrong. If it's really true. You never spoke about that thing. At least we are all women. We are all women. Nobody spoke about it. He started saying, well, saying a lie. But they were proof. 3 or 4 people, I mean 3 people get that audio. What of the day when the audio will come out? I believe say some of you now do like this. Must be of Baika. Will you shame? Hide her face for inside shit. Because everything is truth. If you say a lie, I told you guys. Tell John Osage, say me Anna. Go out some bamo, go view boy, if that kind of thing not stop. Even the person in question, when the thing happened to me, Anna, when John Osage asked the thing, the person confessed to so many people on live video. So what are you guys now telling me? Say, if you are not believe that story. Mama, now I'll not be lying. I'll not be lying. I get the audio. You can't tell me why I believe in it. I know I talk so many things. I get somebody, a big person for that Bini, when me and they talk every time. When want to help me for this thing. It is I just quiet like that. They use 1 million till they move for my Toto. What is there for the Toto? You now leave me like person where they share. What is there for the Toto? Toto where your wife gets. The difference between your wife or the Osage and my Toto, the difference where they your wife yellow. Maybe a clean tourist feel red past my own. Or a Miko feel red past my own. As I black, maybe my own will still black, it go red small. The only difference for John Osage winning, John Osage wife will be winning. Winnie Fred, who is Papa and pastor for Benin. The only difference for me and Winnie Toto is see that my clitoris long. I own the cotton. My own the liver is long. Or I own long. My own the cotton. That's the difference. Why you they use 1 million naira? Till they look for another woman, made Toto. You they fuck Toto as you like. Any country where you go, your followers, your female, that they give you Toto as you like. So what is so special about if you need Toto? To see her for common camera safe. For common picture. Why did you call Ivenivia and say Ivenivia I like you? Nah true, nah. Why don't you call me and say Ivenivia I like you? Don't maybe girl or reason which maybe I feel use you play for 1 year or for 6 months or even for 2 months or even for 1 month. I think it's okay. No problem. Come. I go accept you. You give me that 1 million naira cool cash for inside my hand. He be heavy in the video when you hear me. Master. If you ever say, I'll give my brother, my papa. I dey tell now the truth. No say person they talk to now say hey, this girl very very yeah girl very wayward. I know no wayward it here. The truth has to be said. So another thing can be say that one come pass. Why be say the followers of Dion no they advise Dion. Even when I was following Dion, when I was supporting him, I advised him a lot. A lot. Like, I don't like this thing. It was okay, no problem. That was what I was doing. I was always there. Even the people where they carry put for head. Now I'm not even sure say some people they don't even hear. They even know they even get enough. I much more say to call and direct. Dion they call me by himself most times. I'm saying I go cannot be mount. He call me by himself. They feel me? So when Dion go they do some kind things. You guys cannot even advise him. Dion come out, throw mat, begin talk any blah. When be say at the end of the day, something's up. I know that thing. You see me say I use an upload live video. No. You know why? Because I just feel say, man, I beg, you don't concern me now. When that thing is up, I even carry a picture, come and say congratulations. But I know everything. Just because of what he talk with his mouth. Or who know and how no one see me. you go do what you're not supposed to do. Some of them are not still know to do. They will not even believe until the video. Some of them are also seeing from the inbox back and where the thing for stop. Video day, the video day is like this by phone. Video of waiting he go do. He dey inside. Or you can clear television. He clear finish like color television. Obey vaya aya to ewu. Obey vanu abalo. When I do if you abo. Unu nu we do we gbe ni. Unu we ni ogbo e. Omo effect. Una wan see the advisor. The mama go call her. Advisor every year. If una wan advisor na very done, nothing dey happen. Nothing dey happen. No be una born. The wife is even tired of his rubbish. Of his wayward and as in the way he talks. Everything don't say you want to talk. Don't say what is your problem. What it concern you concern Togba family. And they watch the video where they say they insult all the Togba family. Don't say what is really your problem. Come guy, are you lonely for where you did? For that this thing where you did. Why you never tell your people when you never want to go house? Don't say you take time. Take your time. Take your time and leave Togba family alone. Because I'm going to deal with you. We are going to deal with you. Because Togba family, not be a year family, eh? Now, so I beg my lady, bless. I beg anybody who write any comment, I beg tell me they block their asses, they block their children live journal. If you're blocking activated, okay, super. In fact, bless Dominion, I will soon give you my code for this my page. I will give you my code. Not be all comment how they say. I beg you, whether me they block, I'll soon give you my code. You'll be my lovely sister. I believe so much in you. I don't get anything where they hide for my page or for my inbox. You understand? I will soon give you the code. Make you hear me they block all these their asses. They block their children live journal. You they feel me? I just okay, you have the video too. I get the video now. I remember the video. Even the social media you say now. Ha! I want to say that go make it now. Yo. Salo balo ya come. Masa. So I ko ya gbebe gusa ni dado re make na yo tin. Na ra beri san bu di san wa ri bi o tin, ri ro tin. Okay, why I cook baby gusana routine yai? I will make over. You understand? So do you know say what it concern you concern Togba? What it concern you? Do you know say that you go they talk to Obaseki for back, they beg him. Say may give you appointment. Now you go call live video for Facebook, come they insult him. Now you go call live video. Now you go call your post, come they post rubbish about him. Don't know, say, what have you done in those states? That year, you say they say, what do you call them? Uwelu, for Uwelu papers, where did they pass? You not good. Another area, now your area. Say the area not good. You go put plank. For where road be not there, where got a day, you go put plank, put. You know, say, I don't have the road where you do so. When you know the let person hear word. When you put plank. Do you know, Saji, what have you done in Edo State? Which road you don't tie for Edo State? What is your problem? Boy, what will be your problem, boy? Guy, what will be your own? Why you know the reason? You know the guessing? You know they use your euro. You know they use your euro. What did they worry you for the industry, safe? You know they do any, you know they carry they do. You know they carry they do. Who know you? Who cites you? Boy, I beg. Bro. Sit down for your nest where you there. No, they make noise. No, they carry they do. Big boys know themselves. Men where they do things that they do them for indoors. So they shut up their mouth. Boy, cover your mouth. All you have to smell pass as a biso. You don't do too much. In fact, you don't do don't call me. Call me on my other number. I know they write my number, come out again. And in fact, I don't even like when they call me when I did that video. If you want to contribute, you want to call, now you know. Call me on my other number. And if you call me here again, I will swear for you. I swear to God. Don't try it again. You call me for my video, my phone where I do video. I don't like her. My phone, all of them. This is my number, my WhatsApp number. All of them. Why you have to call me now? Man of war over. No, don't contribute on my live video. I get my mouth to talk. Moi, vieni. I go me no ya you listen. Tell pum. Say that my number be this. If you want write down, write down. If you don't want write down, then get the fuck out and stop calling me on the phone I'm using on my live video. Don't try it again. I swear to God. If you try, I'm gonna like her. My number be this snapshot right now. You know they go direct now. WhatsApp number. You know they go for direct. I'm not open now for direct now, only for WhatsApp. See ya. Tell your phone now. Why with I need? Yo, Sagi. Bro. How they carry the two? You go come and begin to talk anyhow. Whereas you go back, go to beg governor. Just like you must still talk in everything. You can come out on your this thing and you say you didn't learn it, you not even go school. Just like you not go university. Just because you the manage they speak the kind of English when me still they speak now. Not be say I still go to university, but I go on with Polytechnic. I not even finish my HND, but I do my OND. Abio. Now still make me be like this guy be larring English where they be larring. How we have be like so me and you at the same level. Sometimes I even pass you. You don't feel me? Because how many years you did wait to enter America? Bros. Bro. Only carry they do. Do they feel me like this? If you want to write anything, this is what we need in our country, in our state, I mean. This is what we need. This is what we want. Please, governor, please, we are begging for you to focus on this place, on this area, in Edo State, blah, blah, blah. Well, what we mean, I'm a boy, organo, ya, TATN. I can't buy a lot of have your mate, your humanity, and all boy. Oh, son, ya, TN, in the whole no poor. Any action, you can poor you want. Mother. So, instead, no. How would Jonas Sage just come out and come and be insulting everybody, all the Talk Back family on live video? All of us when they do live video will be Talk Back team. Who is Jonas Sage to insult anybody? Who is Jonas Sage to insult a Eddie Murphy? Who is doing motherfucking Osage to insult? I just say in support of Togba. You can hear the music. I just say Lolo or with Togba. Who is motherfucking John Osage to insult my lovely sister Monica? Are you mad? Or can we say que no say? I bet to Giki. He ain't big wa back here. Ugana na hai sanga ya wo kun go ye bani o wo kun gwa ngwe ye yo pa no gwa ye du gba gba pa istanoti mene ige Monica o wo kun gbe aseti bi o gan han you gan pa bi san isan yen no ko ni san la ti akeke wo kun gbe han you gan pa o e de mu e who is motherfucking Osage to insult Vie after all I've done for you, after fighting for you? Who is motherfucking Osage to insult Steelers? Who is motherfucking Osage to insult Abatobaze? Who is motherfucking Osage to insult even Kokobiri? Is not my friend, but he's talk about him. Kokobiri, or why we stress ya Egbe. Master, but now Togba family, and I respect all the Togba family. All the Togba team. That's why they do them. You cannot be a Togba team, even though me and you get grudges before I believe that grudges. If you did for that one Togba team, for that meeting or for that chat, which way any grudges we will get, we are in Togba and Thomas Togba or Bane. Who are you, Deonosage, to insult everybody? Wait there for Togba movement. Who are you? You ain't go to talk, speak, go to come out for corner of your mouth. Oh, Deonosage, who look here? Look here at the bed time, no time, who are the bed time. You have no right. Let me say you the from, name me they talk there. You have no right to insult anybody where they support Obaseki or where they for Togba. Togba people, we are not idiots, we are not fools. We they use ITDC. We know the best thing for us. And that was why. And that is the reason we follow Obaseki. Governor Toga se Obaseki. No get say na ne. No gba na ne. Obaseki. Our amiable governor. Our ile legbitegbe. Our gbangbati gbagbegbe one of those states. Our number one governor come reconcile. Our governor we know what's in there. Our governor we they educated. Our governor we brain on the leak. Our tigbe governor. Who are you to insult Bush Lion? Bush Lion was not in support of Togba, but Bush Lion is an educated person. When he saw it with his eyes, when he saw things, he used the 4 eyes. Then look up Obaseki. He come and reason and say, this man is the person we want in our state. Who is Dion Osage to do that? Dion motherfucking Osage. Dion motherfucking Osage. Don't try that shit again. You try it again. You're going to say, they always talk about me. Are you stupid? You think I don't know why you want people to always talk about you? You think once in a while when you always come out to come and look for unnecessary trouble, to cause unnecessary argument on Facebook for people to be talking to you, on live video, they talk to you. You think I don't know the reason? On you act me, Abi. But listen, let me tell you something. Be warned. Don't ever try it. Winnie, your husband is not a politician. Your half husband. Because John Osage is your half husband. Because I'm not seeing my way. They say you marry, when I do marriage together, now they live for the same house. That's an half husband. So it's a half husband to you. Winnie, you are likewise a single woman. Take it or leave it. And if you're sad, and if you're honest, if you sad it, Winnie, oh God have mercy. God have mercy. Women tell you where you are. Women go when this SMS. Tamamu with your calon when you qua. Ni calon your just again. Calon when you are. Tolone. Louder, baby. Baby, louder. You are boy. You understand? When we calon when you qua. Oh, salubani no we makalo se. Kalo kwa vie kalo yo Jones agion. Hunda mono man egbe no. Kalo wana kwa yo. Egbele you ohun. Imagine one man why. You don't have sense. Your sense, you dey under of your leg. Now your leg dey match your sense. You go say people they insult you. People want that you know what to. Why must you come outside? When I don't watch the video what John Osage do, begin the insult Ogba people, Ogba team. Who John Osage pass for the Togba team? The Osage go they insult people who dey for abroad, and the people who dey for abroad, and they send that money. When they live, when they buy ticket up and down, on the name of organization, charity, rubbish, charity, spending of people's total money. Charity spending of people nyash money. Who even know whether something will happen? So our brother, whenever I say nyash, he never say nyash money go give them sagi. All in the name of charity. Oh, God, say shit. Oh, yeah. You dey feel me? Why do you know Sagi go do that video to insult everybody? Me, I be number one talk by, eh? I no be Ogba, not Ogba team where they call say I beg fight for talk by. Never. Now first side let they walk. You dey feel me? So you have no right. You I don't know what I want to call you. Small pikin like you. This one, right? I say she's on. You know what? I have free today, and tomorrow I dey wake up 2:30, and if I dey go work, I go on live video now. See, 2:30 now take come up for us. 2:30 in the morning, idiot. 2:30 in the morning. If I do this video finish, I'll go bath. I will sleep, idiot. You think I'm like a lazy ass like John Osage does not want to work? When they collect small things, I cannot do it alone. Come on, I'll make me talk. Now see as I keep on quiet. He to say John Osage not to talk about family. My kind that okay I will record. But everyone want to they mad. You dey feel me? Does John Osage has any right? Una call they comment it rubbish. Una call they insult person where they talk to one. But no not they tell us say this way. Why you they go they find people who don't find you? Do your own. Okay, you say you get organization. You say na God sent it. That you get organization. You they take care of mad people for streets. You they take care of people who not get breasts. You take care of people where they are total. You don't kaput. You they take care of people where they not get prick again. They are prick not get head. Now let the brokers come there. You they take care of people where they fuck nyash. You they take care of woman where they fuck a fellow woman. You they take care of Ifati. I mean where you they take care of that one. If to say you really they busy, you they talk and say John Osage is a busy person. I have a lot of issues that I'm treating on hand. I have a lot of things busy in way. If you really be that busy person, you don't go get time can't even talk another person or talk back matter or to even come out on the right nonsense. You will focus. Ogun agbelo waban. Ogun og take bosagi ogbo go igbosagi ogun agbo. Sage ogun rock back boy or tell you king, but I will tell you the truth. In fact, you are not my brother. Fuck you. You are an idiot. But ogun boy, ogun agbele man, do comment here and I follow us when here. Ogun agbele here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Many are wayalele we here. Ogun agbele here. Many of your time. I only live video. When you have only live video. Yeah. Well, you know, I go one way baby. Only barbarians. Barbarians. Already if you when if you now. All the lad don't my way. Oh, work my way. Busy doing nothing. He go say they're busy. Best way they're busy, not get that time. Take the pork nose. No talk about family, don't come out. No talk about team. Don't come out say insult you. You just want talk. Just because me your juju for the work for you. That ebona unwe. Awe erane akabi okbe wo okbe dididi onyo ebo na unu where that's when you go me bi abu were onyo ebo danu ya wo tell you ba bi o take una ya we no ebo abi wu mai la wo era na kan vie o era na kan je all lag big. So if you see people not talk about you, you just want to bring unnecessary talk just to make people talk to you. Ne boni make na hu na mwese. Ni go ni make na re because who mama na tell me where you go ni re oni era na haje na unwe era na havie na unwe no pe dididi no akpe dididi oh no to tago yasi o we la dia era na havie no make na ikpere me on live video today. Hey, don't say the other one just say, hey, don't say you go wa bo ere ekpere ga fun yo o da on your ikpere e big pere no a big baby no niki. The more you they talk about everybody they talk about John Osage, the more the money they come. If we are only a big baby no. Buy many I say as well do it. Man I have no. Or where DBA. Ogwe, bobo, anytime where everybody takes silent for John Sage matter, money no they come. Now I make can just carry this unnecessary things they come out. I've seen it. Don't just look at me if you're like this. I get my own eyes. Mommy, bye bye. I'm not saying that you're picking. You don't go one talk through. Even though you join her, mommy, no shaking. You're shaking me. See you later. You know. Now I make you see anybody everywhere. You see sometimes 2 months nobody will even talk about it. Because he just want people to be measuring his name. Ni go make na very na be idiot ni you ya win ani no here single mother wo there any vie mo ya vie are no way e so vie are bejo ni na gbasha wo dodi ya vie mete ni abie ya gbegbe ayu ya win ya e na ka ye no awa o we bobo to we titi o jana o yo. This one come out today. You talk about this one. No, you only will be a very only a bow down on a big baby. No, a big baby. If you don't know, I'm telling you the truth. If you say a lie, say if you the talk now, you know now you shabby. I've seen it. A big baby don't know. A big baby don't. So if you don't know me, you know. So I won't go tell anybody anything they don't say. Why is there your eh? The more they reply John, the more you going to be a very expo. Personality is not gualo or we be a lele here because a bono unique in a big baby, and a high no. Ok walk with DDD. And I'm going to that's why when people don't mention John Osage name. When people not measure John Osage name, in 1 month, he go one die, go define as he want to drop people leg, as he want to drop people attention to himself. Make they measure me everybody. John Osage, he go with be a very, and the John Osage no so na very able today. I want to handle relax. I tafo, Jemeni, I tafo, Jemeni. Okay, Dion is here as Tom All Pro. Okay, Tom All Pro. That's I know how Dion. Now Dion they use keke grade. Now Dion they use Dion get many fake accounts where Dion gets. He pass 100. Now he get keke grade. Now he get so many. Now he tell me by himself. No business go. Now he tell me by himself. Say now they use all those things. Don't forget me and Dion. We are very close. So the fake account we take there now. Now Tom All Pro. You understand? So you can be here because I want you to be listening to me. Get sense. Your mumu don't too much. Stop fooling yourself. Stop. Not just fooling yourself. Stop fooling that girl you call a wife. That girl you call a wife. She's a pastor's daughter. That's why sometimes, most of Winnie's message, sometimes, it's not for, it's just to take out they give her advice. Most of all those Winnie message is our own message. That things will happen to her where her husband is done. That's what she's telling you guys. But some people are so daft, they are so dumb, they will never understand it. That's why that's what Winnie has been telling you guys. When Winnie do birthday, he locked Dion for outside. When Dion come on the way, you know, let her enter because before the concert. You feel me? So, my dear, make I tell you, all those things where we need to talk. Of course, she's doing a very right thing. She's doing a nice one, a nice thing, a great thing. She they use her own experience to they advise others. That's what I say I want to do. And I will start the program very soon. The way I tell you about my experience. What I went through, what I don't go through. I will say it. and I will use my own to advise you. You will learn from my own. That's my next program, and I'm going to be starting it very soon. And I'm going to be calling it Reality TV. Maybe I'm not even going on YouTube, but I'm going elsewhere. Not even on my page, but I'm going elsewhere. Not on YouTube. It's going to be Ivie Reality. Ivie Life's History Reality. Ivie Reality Life History. I'm going to tell you guys everything. You know I don't lie. Mind you. Take it or leave it. I don't lie. I don't care if you laugh me, but I like telling people about myself. So I'm going to tell you guys about me. It's going to be a reality TV show. And I'm going to be inviting so many people that you don't even know. I swear to God. They're going to join me on that reality TV. You feel me? So not be say, when I can say, hey, Winnie is saying this. Winnie is not from her experience. Now she tell now what did she experience for that motherfucker hand? You just go by home. I don't know how I go on. Oh, no, where's go on my home? Why way? Who see I? Open when? But don't say you will not just learn. Wait till concern you and talk about family. If you are not, I don't know what is wrong with you. Come, I just come out to warn you. I'm not here to insult you. I never even start. If you try that fucking again, that fuck again, you know what? A boy here don't move boy. Every na about it, he don't move boy. My move boy there, but he me I don't move boy. When he cow, he carry one. He will be una on your bomb share. Stay away from Obaseki and people with the supporter or his supporters. I mean, Togba team. We are the great Togba team. I stand 100% by Obaseki. 4+4 Togba. 100% Gidigba. By Obaseki. Ogbane team. Togba. Home and abroad Togba. Ogbane. So nobody. Stay away from Togba team. You have no right to can't they insult any Togba family just because you want to talk, just because you want to renew your juju when they work for you. You want to renew it. Don't even go there again. Don't try yourself. It's my warning to you. Don't try it again. Don't try it. Mind your business. You say you get organization. Mind your fucking organization. Percy get waiting a corner. The woman still there that time, I remember. When they give how much? You give her just 100,000 naira. I be 200,000 naira. After all the money. But the woman still died. Be warned. Be warned. And please. Another thing, not they use that your chieftaincy title, I be chieftaincy title. Now chieftaincy title be the color. But only a chief. That your chieftaincy title can't they disturb Benin. Say, you are a chief. You are not a chief, you are a thief. Chieftaincy title that they give you. And who say, Amu you on? No, that one will not say no. So what pata, or when me, I may be ogbe. Don't stay the fuck away from Togba family. If you know you are his follower, you be mama, we carry her for back. We be saying mama we dey, if mama we born na come for toto. They say why am we here you, but wa mo eri agboze ne. Since wa mo eri agboze ne, wa ma ge ibe go there. Nu wa ya le egbo keke be phone re. We o de ogi we va wa son. Are de ni ma ene gbe ni we UK. Ara gbete won. Wa bun. Site bi ono. Ala wo. Wa ko ya gwewo. Wa gwewo. If you want to talk, me no just go that Togba. Me no just go there because you go hear I'm hot. Bye everybody, my phone don't know anyway. So, good night. I don't get cigar and you may go buy cigar. Bye everybody, I love you. See you tomorrow afternoon, thank God. For the whole of next week, I did for money. So I dey close 3 o'clock. By 3 o'clock, I don't reach us. Then, you know, let me enjoy my next week. Bye. Love you. No, my this week, for the whole of this week. Now Monday we do so. Because today na public holiday and I free today. You know, so from tomorrow, now Monday I did for the whole of the week. Love you. Repay your one and only if you did.